All right, so there's our components, guys. Right there are the 3 wall panels and the door panel. Fiberglass spray textured with dirt. There's the roof right there. We've got the cork floor over there, the insulation. That's the parts that the blind or the tower came in, excuse me. And it comes with all of the hardware that you need. And the holes are pre-tapped for the walls. So now we're gonna have 2 people from the ladder lifting these up here. Once we get 2 of them up, they should stay just fine. We'll stick a screw through the flange on the outside and we're off and running. Hey guys, Jake Blow here, the Habitat Pro. Gonna give you a little bit of a heads up or a tip here on what we do with these Landmark 10-foot tower blinds. So it's a good deal, okay? It's a good deal to get up 10 feet, but this is very flimsy. I don't know if you can see that at all. It's very flimsy mesh. So here's what we do up on top. You can see we've got the blind up, we got it leveled, but then we go with treated plywood, 5/8, and we screw that through the deck. And then we go with the $3 carpet tiles right here so that we can get a little bit of a cushion underneath our fiberglass floor. Otherwise it still flexes, it's very loud, and we're just looking to not announce our presence like that when we're up here getting into the blind. So that's what we're doing. It is one of those tips where you don't realize it. Yeah, you see that? You don't realize it. What you're getting with a cheaper blind is lower quality mesh, thinner metal. That's basically what you're getting. So that's what we do here at Habitat Pro with these blinds, because it is a good deal. They're I think I got them on sale for $600 right now, and we're putting an earth blind right up on top of here. We're gonna build it in place, but that is my tip for making that floor a lot quieter. All right, so what you saw right there was each person was easily able to lift one of these panels. We got them up, starting at the back one, and then we just worked our way around, putting a screw washer nut into the top and a screw washer nut into the middle. So that way those panels were all held together. And now what we're doing is we're finishing up the hardware inside. After we shimmied the 4 panel sections, once they were together, we shimmied them so that they exactly matched up with the floor. And now we will tighten those up and then put anchors through, and then we'll get the roof on as well. Keep coming, bud.
Yep, I am. I had to let go for a second.
Grab it, Elijah.
Yep, I got it.
Got it.
Okay, she's on.
Now, obviously, any of that stuff you're not comfortable with, guys, don't do it. Hire it done. You know, build it somewhere else, lift it up there with the tractor. We've also done that. It's just way back here, we can't get that done. Also, obviously, if you choose to do anything like this, if you modify these techniques or anything, that's all on you guys. Don't look at this as some instructional video that covers your butt if you're the one that falls off the back of the platform. So what we do now is we take rubbing alcohol, put it on a wash rag, and really clean those spots right there. It goes all the way down between each window, and that really kills the sound in here. Just a wonderful feeling getting one of these babies up. All right, so just a couple things left to do up there. We are gonna run screws through the roof into that flange up there. I'm gonna also caulk all the seams shut. That's not necessary because there are gaskets on all the seams, but I did that previously, and the ones on my property this year had no flies, and I like no flies, especially when I turn that heater on. Awesome, airtight blind, fantastic, and you'll love them for many years to come.